Dear viewers, nobody in this world desires to stay poor forever. Everyone wants financial freedom, financial well-being. Unfortunately, very few can achieve financial freedom because of some common mistakes. In this video, I'll discuss common mistakes due to which maximum people struggle in their financial life. The first mistake, comparing with others. I'm giving you an example. At the age of 26, while I purchased my first Mercedes car, one of my friends told me, "Oh, you are now so rich." So I just mentioned him, if I am rich, then what about the son of Mukesh Ambani? He is even more richer than me, even at younger age, right? So the point is, if you want to compare, you will find no matter how much you earn, how much you accumulate wealth, there must be someone richer than you in this planet, right? So if you own a bicycle, you'll desire to have a motorcycle. Once you have a motorcycle, then you'll desire for a car. Once you have a car, then you'll desire for a luxury car. Once you have a luxury car, then you will desire for an yacht. If you have a yacht, then you will desire for a private jet plane, right? So there is no end of desire. The major mistake that I noticed that many youths compare themselves with others and purchase some expensive items with EMI or loan. I have noticed many persons purchase 1 lakh rupees mobile or a very big size television just because someone else purchased it. If you find that your office colleague or your friend have expensive mobile or an expensive television or some electronics gadget, it doesn't necessarily mean that you must have to own it. Many individuals just compare themselves with others and purchase these expensive stuffs with loan or with easy EMI, and due to this they enter into a death trap and they miss the investment opportunity. So this is one major mistake. Stop comparing yourself with others. Everyone is moving on their own path. You can't compare your path with someone else. No matter how rich you become, no matter how much wealth you accumulate, there will be someone who is richer than you, who will be more wealthier than you. So stop comparing, just travel your path. The second mistake, many financial advisors might suggest you that to become rich, to save more money, you must have to cut down your spending. But the truth is, there is a limit of cutting down your expense. You can't make your expense zero. There must be some house maintenance cost or rent. There must be some cost on your food and all on your dress. You must have to spend some money on your children education. If you are cutting expenses on your children education, then that will be another mistake. So one thing is very clear, and that is very practical, that you can't cut down your expenses forever. There is a limit. After that limit, you can't cut your expense. However, you can increase your income and there is no upside limit. So the potential to increase your income is unlimited, but the potential to cut down your expense is very much limited. So this is why to become rich, to accumulate wealth, your target should be to increase your income, not to cut down your expense. Now, no matter whether you are a government employee or a private company employee or a business person or a student, whoever you are, there are always options to generate multiple sources of income. If you look at any rich person, any millionaire, billionaire, all of them created multiple sources of income. Similarly, your only target should be to create multiple sources of income, to increase your income, to build assets so that you can accumulate more wealth, because cutting down expense is not a permanent solution. Now you might ask the question, how to create multiple sources of income? Well, if you watch all the videos in my YouTube channel, after watching this video you can have a look in my YouTube channel. If you watch all these videos, you will find multiple ways to create extra sources of income. The third major mistake is shortcut to get rich. Many individuals, even we also get many emails and messages, and many people ask share me some quick money making scheme. Tell me how can I invest in stocks and get rich quickly? How can I invest in such schemes so that I can get monthly income, I can become rich instantly? Believe me, there is no such quick money making scheme. Every quick money making scheme is actually a money losing scheme. Remember one thing, that if you look at a doctor spent minimum for 5 years in their MBBS course, and then after that lot of practice and all to earn money. And engineer minimum spends 4 years and then he is able to earn money. Same goes with lawyer or any professional wherever you look. However, in the share market or in mutual fund or in some other financial field, people always seek to earn money quickly. They are always looking for some shortcut. Remember, there is no such shortcut. You must have to be patient and you must have to learn. You must have to complete the learning journey. Then only you can earn. And if you are still looking for any such shortcut, then you are one step closer of losing money. The fourth major mistake is not having a health insurance. Let me tell you that I am not an insurance agent. So even if you purchase an health insurance or anything, I don't have any kind of monetary benefit. I am not an insurance agent, not a broker. So it doesn't matter whether you purchase insurance or shares, mutual fund or whatever. I have no direct monetary benefit. Okay. So still, why I am telling you that not having a health insurance is a major mistake, because we all know that nowadays with the increasing medical cost, one single event, one single hospitalization of any of your family member can destroy multiple years of savings. So it is very important to have health insurance and to gather knowledge on health insurance schemes, what to do and what not to do. As I have mentioned that as I am not an agent, so please don't ask me which health insurance is good and which health insurance is bad. But if you put sufficient comment, then I can make a video on what to do and what not to do while you pick for the best health insurance. The fifth major mistake, not willing to invest on new skill development or to learn new things. What I have noticed that as I have in my website itself, I have share market course, mutual fund course, and I have also authored a best-selling book which is still the highest rated book in Amazon India, written by any Indian author on the share market. So what I noticed is maximum individuals don't want to invest for learning new skill, to get new things. However, a person can easily spend $500 or 1,000 on pizza, on restaurant. They might spend on movie outing and all. People can happily spend on Netflix recharge. However, the same person won't be willing to invest that similar amount to learn new skill, to learn new thing. One thing is very clear. If you are employed in any private company, you will find the person who is developing new skill faster than others get promotion. So if you want to create additional sources of income, if you want to increase your income, as I mentioned, cutting down your expense has some limit, but increasing your income has no limit. So if you want to increase your income, if you want to create additional sources of income, you must have to acquire new skill, you must have to invest in knowledge. And to invest in knowledge, you must have to spend your time as well as your money to acquire new things, maybe to read books, to get course and all. So this is also one very major mistake of many individuals, not to invest money on good things. Now share your feedback on the comment section, what you think about these 5 common mistakes. And if you learned something new from this video, make sure to click the like button and share it with your friends and family. And to get some insightful video on the upcoming days, to get videos on share market and mutual fund, make sure to subscribe this channel and click on the notification icon. That's it from my side. As on today, I'll come with another insightful video on some other day. Till then, stay safe and happy investing.